Hello, my gorgeous friends. If you're excited to learn how to make this tasty, medicinal, it's like you're eating medicine, but it's medicine that comes from the ground and tastes so amazing and decreases the likelihood of ever needing to be a hospital patient or a drug company customer. If you're excited about learning how to make that, it's super simple. Subscribe to my YouTube, like the video, comment with some ideas that you might have to make this even more creative and tasty. I'd love to hear those comments, and doing that kind of activity really helps me out with the algorithms too, so more people see this stuff and more people get healthy. So let's just dive right in. All right, now first is the wraps. This particular one, happy to plug them in. Angelic. They make a lot of breads and wraps and things like that. This one is turmeric and sweet potato. Turmeric and sweet potato. Sprouted turmeric and sweet potato. The ingredients are just a hodgepodge of superfood ingredients. It's amazing. All right, and the sprouted part, more blood sugar friendly, more medicinal energy. So whenever I do bread or bread-like material, wraps, whatever, I look for sprouted or Ezekiel where it's flourless. Rather than anything other than that, when it comes to bread type stuff, I don't do it because it's not going to be blood sugar friendly. It's probably not going to have the fiber that your body needs. It's just overall not nearly as healthy. Okay, so the wraps themselves, these could be kind of like tacos too. Speaking of tacos, I do have something I wrote, I will link in the description, called Tacos Be Thy Medicine. Basically, it's you eat as many tacos as you want all day long. It's like a cleanse you can use it as. And the more tacos you eat, the healthier you're going to get, that kind of a thing. And I'll explain how that works on the link, so look for that. But for this video, I'm not going to show you how to do certain things because everybody knows how to spread things on bread or a wrap, right? So the first thing I did is I put down the spread. I got the hummus here, and you can use Greek pitted olives, or they make olive spread. So I actually put down the olive spread first. You can kind of see that right there. And then the hummus over the top of that. And then after that, I threw down some chickpeas and some black beans. I strained them first and rinsed them off and just put them in here. I didn't even heat them up. So this whole thing is raw. Well, the beans are cooked at some point because they're canned. But outside of that, this whole thing is raw. I'm not heating it up. Some cilantro for the greens. And some pumpkin seeds, unsalted, raw, the pepitas. And that's all I have in here. I'm also going to sprinkle it with some cayenne pepper and some ginger powder, just because I like those kinds of things, and probably some fresh thyme seasoning. And that's all optional, but that's a really good base. And you can also put avocado slices in here. You could put hemp hearts. You can really be creative. It's unlimited. And my Tacos Be Thy Medicine page that I will link to, highly recommend you check it out. I'm going to give you tons of ideas to make tacos, mostly simple ones, but you can also make them complicated if you want and really put stuff in there, or just 2 or 3 ingredients. It's totally up to you, but making stuff like this, there's a ton of flexibility. It's 100% flexible to whatever your taste buds are feeling at the moment, and just enjoy it. Now, my next video that I'm going to make, I'm going to show you how to make, this is just sparkling water right here, but I'm going to add a few ingredients that's going to turn it into the most delicious soft drink soda pop you've ever had before. And it's not going to have any sugar, no artificial ingredients. It's going to be made from scratch with just a few ingredients that you can easily find to stock your home with, that I've always got in my house. They're just staple ingredients. And then the more of this you drink, the healthier you're going to be. Imagine that, a soft drink. The more of it you drink, the healthier you're going to be. I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video, so stay tuned. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube so that you don't miss anything, okay? All right, you're going to pay the farmers or the hospitals. You might as well pay the farmers growing the good stuff. It's an investment in your health. Get the better ingredients, right? Plant-based, plant power. I love you all. Mwah. Bye for now. Share this video.